Good evening. Just listen carefully. Industrial development is a precondition. Precondition, the first condition. For what? For eradication, for removal of unemployment. It means for the development of industry. So there is a first condition we have to follow. Which one? And for what? For eradication, for removal, to reduce unemployment and to reduce poverty from our country. So, what is the first condition for industrial development as well as the for removal unemployment from our country, for to decrease or to we can say the remove poverty from our country? So, first condition is that industrial development. So, we have to do develop what? Industrial development. We have to do means we have to set up factories, we have to establish industries at various places. So this is the development of industry, establishment of industry, starting of industries. This is the precondition for to overcome unemployment as well as the poverty. This was means industrial development was the main philosophy. Now this was the, if we do what? Industrial development. So this was the first step, we can say the philosophy, tricks, our policy behind public sector industries. So we can follow for the public sector industries. Public sector industry means government, the industry which are run by government, and joint sector ventures. Venture means business, means both of them, government as well as the individual, both of them, they run industries and business. So for both of the main important thing is industrial development. So then we can overcome unemployment as well as the poverty. It was also aimed at bringing down regional disparities. Disparities means differences. So we have to reduce regional differences, whatever the differences. We have so many differences in our country, in our state, in our region, in our society. So we have to overcome, we have to neglect all these differences, and by reducing, by avoiding all these differences, we have to establish, by establishing industries in tribal and backward areas. If we establish, if we set up industries where in the tribal area as well as in the backward areas, so then we can overcome unemployment and poverty from our country. Understood?